Trunk isometrics are a great place to start when beginning core exercises because they don't move your spine. So if you do have back pain, they are usually tolerated very well. The first one is tall kneeling offset holds. Hold the kettlebell at your side between 10 and 30 seconds. Next we have half kneeling holds. These are done in a half kneeling position with your foot close to the midline of your body. If this is too difficult, move your front foot out to the side. This will improve your balance. Once again, hold for between 10 and 30 seconds per side. The first exercise in which the kettlebell moves are going to be around the worlds. You're in the tall kneeling position, passing the kettlebell behind your back and then in front. Switch directions after 10 to 30 seconds and repeat. Tall kneeling halos are a favorite trunk exercise of mine because they also address shoulder mobility issues. You start off in the tall kneeling position and pass the kettlebell behind your head. Alternate directions on every repetition. Go for 30 seconds total. Be sure to subscribe for more kettlebell and rehab ideas.